The paint industry currently is seeing a slowdown in the decorative coatings market, and this is due to lower spending on DIY and because of budget constraints. At Hamilton's, unfortunately, we don't manufacture paint, but we do cater for value for money brushes, that being the VIVA synthetic bristle blend paintbrush. So the VIVA brush is a multi-purpose brush and can be used on most substrates, including water-based paints on walls for cutting and trimming. And remember, I said multi-purpose, so you could even use it for varnishing timber, so for water and solvent-based paints. So with a synthetic bristle blend, it's gonna give you an even finish, even with enamels on steelwork. And also look out for our DIY value tray set. It has an all-purpose roller, an all-purpose refill, a Viva 3-piece brush set, a sanding sheet, and a painting tray. Hamilton's and the perfect finish. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.